Seventh question. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. Difference of squares of two numbers is 180. I should take two numbers here as x and y. So I cannot take here x and 180 minus x. As we taken earlier, we cannot take in that way x and 180 minus x because the difference of squares they said squares. So squares it will be, so difference of squares is 180. I will take one as x and another one will be y. Then after you can see the square of the smaller number is 8 times as larger number. So those two numbers are smaller and larger number. Now first I will take one number, let larger number I will take x. Larger number is equal to x. And another smaller number I will y I will take. Smaller number is equals to y. Now the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. It means difference of squares of larger number and smaller number. I can take x square minus y square is equal to 180. I cannot take y square minus x square is equal to 180 because y is less than x. So this is a larger number, x square is larger. So that I should take first as x square. Okay. So I have taken it as larger number, so that I should write x square minus y square. I cannot write y square minus x square. So they said difference of squares of two numbers is 180. So it means x square minus y square is equal to 180. And another condition also they given. The square of the smaller number is, square of smaller number means y square is equal to 8 times larger number. 8 times into larger number, that is x. Okay, these two equations you got. So difference of two numbers is 180. X square minus y square is equal to 180. The square of smaller number, the square of smaller number is 8 times larger number. 8 times larger number. Now here, so I will substitute this y square value in this one. I will get a quadratic form. So I will put it. So equation number 1 implies, after substituting this in equation number 1, x square minus y square is there. Y square is nothing but what? 8x. In place of y square I will substitute 8x. I will substitute 8x is equals to 180. Now x square minus 8x minus 180 is equals to 0. Now difference is minus 8x, add or subtract minus 180 x square. Minus 180 x square minus 8x are split. That is minus 18x plus 10x. Minus 18 plus 10, that is minus 8x. Multiply this, minus into plus minus, 18 tens are 180 x into x square. So minus 8x I can write as minus 18x and 10x. Now x square in place of minus 8x minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 is equal to 0. Now we will take common here. X I will take common, x minus 18. In this one I will take common as 10. X minus 18 is equal to 0. Now we take common, x minus 18 is equal to, inside what will be there? X plus 10. X plus 10 is equal to 0. Now x minus 18 is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 10. I got, sorry, x minus 10 or x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now this will be x equal to 18 or x is equal to minus 10. Now we got two values of x. Let us check which is possible, which is not possible. First I will take x equal to 18. Then after I will say why it is not possible. If x equal to 18, here what I have to find? I have to find two numbers. Which are those? X and y. So x and y you have to find. Already I got the value of x. But I should find y also. Because they ask you to find two numbers. I got only one number. Another number also I should write. So I will substitute x equal to 18 in first equation, or you can substitute in second equation. In anywhere you can substitute either in 1 or 2. Now I'll substitute it in a second equation. Equation 2 implies I'll substitute x equal to 18. So y square is equals to 8 into 18. So this is equals to how much? 8 into 18. 8 into 18. 60. It is a 64. 8 plus 144. Am I right? 144. Now, so y square is equal to 144. Y is equals to plus or minus root 144. Now here y is equals to plus or minus 12. So if x equal to 18, y may be plus 12 or minus 12. I got this. Now here, come to this side, minus 10. If x equal to minus 10, it is not possible. Why? Because you substitute here. In the first equation or second equation, I will substitute x equal to minus 10 in the second equation. So what you will get? Y square is equal to minus 10 into 8. That is minus 180. So I will get y is equals to root of minus 180. Negative I am getting. I am not getting real. So therefore it is not possible. This is not possible. Because if I substitute x equal to minus 10 in first or second equation, I will get a complex numbers, not a real numbers. So therefore this is not possible. So only possible values is x equal to 18, y equal to plus 12. Or another possibility, if x equals to 18, y equals to minus 12. Okay, these are the only possibility. Now, 8th question. A train travels 360 km at uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less. Automatically, if the speed is increasing, so the time taken by the train will be reduced. So how much it is reduced? 1 hour is reduced as compared with the uniform speed. For the same journey only, that is 360 km journey. Find the speed of the train. We have to find the speed of the train. Let us take that speed of the train. Let speed of train is equal to x kilometer per hour. I have to find the value of x. Now, initially it was moving with the uniform speed of with 360 km distance it has to cover. How much time it has taken? You know formula. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. Initially time taken by the train. Initial time taken by train how much it is? Distance by speed. Distance means 360 km it has to cover. Moving with uniform speed. That speed I have taken as x. So the unit I can write here as hour because it is a time. So time is nothing but distance by speed. So initial time taken by the train is 360 divided by x. Okay. Now what is the time taken by the train after increasing the speed of 5 km per hour more? Means 5 km per hour I have to increase. So the speed, increased speed. How much it is? Initially it was x. Now 5 km per hour is increased. So increased speed will be x plus 5 km per hour. X plus 5 km per hour. Now the second time the train is moving with x plus 5 km per hour speed. Now what is the time taken by the train? Second time means after increasing the speed. Time taken. Now time taken by the train. Time taken by the train is equal to, for the same journey means to cover same distance. That is distance by speed will give us time. Distance is 360 km divided by speed. speed I can take it as x plus 5 hour. So this is the time taken by the train after increasing the speed, and this is the time taken by the train initially with uniform speed initially. Okay. Now difference of these 2 hours is these two time is 1 hour. They said. So difference like this, x minus y equal to 1. So I should take x is more than y. So in these two values, which is more? You can think in two ways. Denominator is numerator, both sides numerator is same. Denominator is x, here x plus 5. So denominator is more, here denominator is more than this one. So if the denominator is more, then this value is less than this. So means 360 by x is more than 360 by x plus 5. So that I should take first as 360 divided by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5 is equal to 1. Difference of their times is equal to 1 hour. Otherwise you can think like this also. If the speed is moving very fast, time taken will be less than this. Okay. So means this is more than this. So I should take this as first 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5. I should not take this as first because this term is more than this. Okay. Here x minus y equal to 1 means x must be greater than y, like this. Okay. Larger number I have to take first. Now we have to solve this. Here I will take LCM as x plus 5. Now here I will take multiply this 360 into x plus 5. Now this is minus 360 is equals to 1. Now in these two I will take 360 common, 360 taken outside. Inside what will be there? 360x it is. Okay, 360x. So 360 taken outside, x plus 5 minus x is equal to. Now this goes to the right side. That is x into x plus 5. Now x get cancelled. Okay. Now this is 36 5 15 18 1800. So this is 1800 is equal to, multiply this, x square plus 5x. Now I have to take this to the right. X square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Now we can solve this by factorization. I will follow. Now difference is 5, multiply should get 1800. So 5x, I can write this as minus 1800 x square. This I can write as 45x and this as 40x. If you multiply this, I will get 1800 x square, 1800 x square minus I should get here, minus plus 45 minus 40x, that is plus 5x. I will write these two here, x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0. In these two I can take common as x. Inside it will be x plus 45 minus, here I can take common as 14. Inside x plus 45 is equal to 0. Now x plus 45 take outside, x plus 45 inside x minus 40 is equal to 0. Now x plus 45 is equal to 0 or x minus 40 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to minus 45. Here x is equals to here what? 40. X equals to 40. Now this is not possible because the x in mathematics speed cannot be negative. It is always positive. So this is not possible. This is not possible. They asked you to find what? And then you should write the conclusion with unit. They asked you to find the speed of the train. Therefore, speed of train is equal to So x kilometer per hour, that is 40 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Unit also